The FDA is warning veterinarians and pet owners about specific cat food products that may pose a serious nutritional risk. Welcome to the Weekly Vet Report, breaking down the latest updates in veterinary medicine. Earlier this month, the FDA said 8 lots of Quest cat food contain extremely low or no thiamine, an essential nutrient for cats. Only 3 of those lots have been recalled so far. According to the FDA, continued feeding of the affected diets could lead to thiamine deficiency, which can cause serious illness and may be fatal if not treated. Reported clinical signs include decreased appetite and vomiting, as well as neurologic signs such as ventriflexion, ataxia, circling, and seizures. The FDA says onset can vary, with some cats showing signs within a week and others taking longer. The issue was identified after a veterinary neurologist reported a case of severe deficiency with additional testing confirming low thiamine levels across all 8 lots. The agency advises discontinuing the diet if illness is suspected. Next, the Companion Animal Parasite Council has released its 2026 forecast, projecting continued expansion of several vector-borne diseases. Lyme disease, heartworm, ehrlichiosis, and anaplasmosis are all expected to spread into areas previously considered lower risk. The council says its projections are based on more than a decade of data, including millions of diagnostic test results each year, and are intended to reflect what veterinarians are likely to see in practice. The organization attributes shifting risk to factors like land use, pet travel, wildlife movement, and climate-related changes. The forecast also notes that some vectors are active year-round, reinforcing the importance of consistent prevention and annual testing. And finally, a quick note on feline behavior. In a recent interview with DVM 360, veterinarian Tiffany Tupler addressed what she describes as one of the biggest misconceptions about cats, that they act out of spite, something she says can shape how certain behaviors are interpreted, including in cases that lead to relinquishment.
It goes both for us as veterinarians and then obviously for pet parents as well, is that cats aren't spiteful. Like, they're not doing this out of a jealousy or rage. The biggest misconception is that cats communicate in a way that we are not traditionally familiar about. It's going to be easier for us if we actually teach and understand how cats are communicating and utilize that, instead of making the assumption that obviously the cat is doing this out of spite. We see that in shelters, like 68% of clients who surrender cats think that the inappropriate urination, the destructive behaviors, the scratching, the attacking their friends when they come over is all from spite. And I will say I've had many veterinary professionals who believe the same, right? We always say like the evil cat that comes in, when in reality, it's usually cats have great, amazing memories. And what causes a lot of these behavioral problems is we've missed a lot of cues to where now they are acting in a way that makes it appear that they are spiteful.
That's this week's update. Tune in next Friday for more in animal health.